What is it?
This is... It's a camber gauge. Bro.
Camber gauge, a Popalong Rally. It says Popalong Rally on it.
That's because we are doing a Popalong Rally over at Mill End very soon.
I like them. Yes, we are. And it's not the first time we've done a Popalong Rally at Mill End. We have done it for 2 years. In fact, the first one was a Popalong GP.
That was a Popalong GP. It was more of an open fun day GP, barbecue.
It was mega.
It had everything going on.
It was mega.
And then the following year when we did the rally, we had the little dirt track down the bottom. We had the chase the car around the rally track.
Yeah.
Which was really cool.
Yeah.
Rally isn't a car rally, a celebration.
Yeah, so we have got the rally class, but it's not called the Popalong Rally because of that. It's just a celebration of RC, and on the day we want to get new people in.
Do you know what we've done this year, which is different from previous?
What's that?
We have introduced a novice class.
Yeah, we have. Yeah,
we have. Yeah. So hopefully we're going to get some new people.
You know, it's interesting. Yeah, it's interesting because we speak to lots of people trackside, and a lot of people say, I want to give it a go, but I'm worried I'm going to, get it wrong and this and that. Too many people say that. And it's a shame that there's a lot of people that just go and watch and haven't quite got that confidence to kind of go. So this, if that's you, this is the event for you actually. But not only that, there will be some more faster classes.
There are.
For at the moment, we have got short course truck, 1 space. People are asking, is it 2 or 4?
Whatever you like.
Whatever you like.
Most people run 4 there.
Whatever you like, 2 or 4, we don't care. For four-wheel drive vintage, we've got 3 spaces left.
Awesome. So if you run the yoke and I run the top force, again, it's 1 space. Unless other people want to go, and then I'll do something else.
2-wheel drive vintage is 1 space, and novice class there are 5 spaces remaining at the time that this video goes out. So
well, no, at the time of this video is recorded, I've still got to edit it, chop it up, and put it out. So check the link down in the description. Get yourself involved and pop along to the Popalong Rally. Now, it's just going to be on the Astro track this year, isn't it? Up the top there. Really enjoyed it last time we went there. Where's my? I've changed it for the rally cars, but I took my RB10 Retro over there and it performed really quite nicely. I really enjoyed that. But I think the car that I'm going to run this time is this one here. This is the Relalo rally car. Last time I ran in the rally, I ran that one, which is my LC PG Tips car.
That's
the
nice,
PTG2, I believe it is.
Yeah.
But mix it up. Maybe I'll run both of them. I like in the Subaru blue. Yeah, I do like a bit of blue, me.
So you're going to be running rally car. I'm going to be running the 4-wheel drive vintage.
Right.
And if our good friend Pitman Dave turns up,
he can run it.
I'm probably going to take my 2-wheel drive vintage as well. I'm not really that bothered about racing. I just want to make sure everybody else has a good time.
We've got a new featuring person on the channel. They featured in the last couple of videos.
Who's that? Oh, my brother.
Your bro, yeah. How's he getting on with his racing? Has he bought himself any tyres yet?
Yeah. So, if you haven't seen the latest video, I went, because you were busy, but I went back to Hearts.
Those job things, didn't I?
Oh, yeah, I hate that. I went back to Hearts for one of their club nights, and do you know what? From the moment I got there, it's such good value, right? £5 if you remember. I think it's £5. The gate opens at 5, and then you practice for. Well, I actually practiced for 2 hours. Solid.
Unbelievable.
Solid.
So yeah, then you fatigue before you get to the final, and then you throw it all away, don't you?
Yeah, a little bit, yeah. But I just like running the car, whether I win, lose or draw. I'm not that fussed. And then 7 o'clock or half 7, racing commences. 2 heats, 1 final. Absolutely brilliant. The track's bigger and better than it's ever been before.
I need to get there. Now, I did look at your video, and what I didn't like was the that double off the turn. Okay. I don't think my RB10 Retro would like that very much.
Yeah, that was a very, very hard feature to get right, to be fair. By the end of the night, I think I was too tired and I was struggling to get that. But the wheel speed car, absolutely on the money. I was surprised how good that was, to be quite honest with you. Yeah. I used it at Mill End for one of their Sunday club meetings, and I'd kind of done loads of changes to it there, and it was absolutely brilliant. I was making mistakes.
You were just
because I ain't been there for a year.
I'll tell you what though, are you going to tell the people What happened to your Fast Fox?
Yeah, well, I bent the shock shaft.
You did.
I did bend the shock shaft. I don't quite know how I did it. I did absolutely hammer it down the straight, and then I kind of binned it into the fence. I think that might have something to do with it.
You shouldn't do that. The idea is to keep it on its wheels.
Yeah. But beyond that, it's been really, really good. I don't think it's made me a better driver. It certainly hasn't made me a worse driver. And it's a cracking car to have, But I don't really know what else to do to make the car any better for me. But I think it's just practice now.
I've got a challenge for you.
Go on then.
Obviously, I'm wearing my Schumacher top. I donated you something, didn't I?
You gave me, and thank you for this.
With all the electrics as well, by the way. I kind of wish I'd kept the servo, but I gave you the car, you keep the car.
No, hold on. I had to put a new servo in that.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did.
Did you? Where's my old servo then?
It's broken. It was knackered.
I'll have it back. It'll be all right for my style of driving.
It's a Spectrum one that's about 20 years old, remember?
No.
You said to me, this car ain't going round. I've had enough of it. You gave me it. And the problem was the servo. So I bought a new one. I've got a Savox one, stuck that in it.
Fair enough. Anyway, I'll go back.
Go on.
LD3.
Yeah, right.
Sort it out.
Right, listen to what I've got to say. So the other night I went out and I took the Fast Fox out. Then I took the LD3 out. Then I took the Fast Fox. Then I alternated the whole of practice, yeah. And I found that the LD3, right, was understeering.
Yeah, that's what he used to do to me.
So I stood the rear shocks up. What else did I do?
Laid the front ones down?
Nah, I didn't, because I
added some spacers.
No, I took the spacers out to give it a bit more front end thingy with jig, yeah?
Yeah.
And that was better.
Okay.
It was a lot better. So what I'm trying, and the ESC settings were wrong because I just, I probably need to just take that car, because if I take too many cars, then I'm going to be faffing with them all. I just need to take that one down there and dial it in. Yeah. So if anyone,
because you did actually have a really popular video of ours was when we got the Schumacher guys to help you with your racing.
Yeah.
We need to redo that, but for Astro.
Okay, would you like us to do that? So if we could get in touch with our good friends over at Schumacher, maybe they could come over one night and spend an evening with us.
Yeah.
And then we will quite happily blog how to get an LD3 sorted for Astro, because lots of people run them, don't
they? But the way they're putting cars out at the moment, by the time we've done that video, there'll probably be an LD4.
LD4. Maybe there will be.
There might be.
Yeah, you never know, do you?
Well, they've just brought out the MI10 out of nowhere, didn't they?
Do you know what it has... Before you finish, do you know what it has done, right?
Yeah.
I mean, I've always loved RC.
Yeah.
I've always loved RC. But after going to Hearts and Millend, I really love it now. I mean, I want to just keep doing it. It's really... I just want to keep doing it.
Do you know what I quite enjoyed?
What's that?
Last Friday night, boss.
Last Friday night.
The sun was shining.
Yeah, that was good.
And we took out, half a dozen cars?
Mm-hmm.
Probably a couple of dozen batteries.
Yeah.
Went to a local field and had a giggle.
Mm. We did.
That was fun.
It was fun. Yeah.
And we didn't have to travel too far for it as well. So actually, now that the weather's improving, I think it's just going to be a mega summer of RC.
Yeah.
So what do you want to see us do this summer, by the way? Because there are only so many weekends in a year. There's only so many tracks we can visit. What do we need to add to our list? We've got Revival coming up. We've got our vintage, retro. We're calling it a rave now, aren't we?
The rave, the Popalong
rave. Retro and vintage event.
That's going to be at Stockfold on the 9th of August. So peak summer for that one.
We've got, what's the other one we've got? We've got Revival, Hearts.
Mm-hmm.
Is that literally all we've got booked in?
Well, Hearts are doing their summer series, which I want to get down to.
I want to get to the Truck
Nationals.
I want to get to the Truck Nationals with my PR Racing SC10.
Yeah.
Definitely, 100%. That is on the cards. I've ordered the wheels and the tyres. I'm going to get the whole package. And I've also got one of these. You haven't seen this, have you?
What is that?
This here is my new battery. Look at that bad boy.
That is a big old thing, isn't it? What have we got here? Turnigy Rapid. Well, that is nice, actually. 6500 4S for the e-buggy, is it?
That is for the e-buggy. So I've got
Hard
a pro spec e-buggy.
Where can people get these from?
So yeah, should we put the link in down below for that?
Put the link in down below. There's a good discount code for that, so get involved. Have you got any other batteries?
Well, yeah, I've got you one as well. 'Cause you like these
Look
funny
at
ones.
that! Right, that one there, I've already got one of these, and that is from the Rapid range again. And I ran that over at SC for the indoor thingamajig over there.
Yeah, it gives you that extra bit of weight in the old
Yeah,
touring cars, doesn't it?
And it was absolutely brilliant. So that one as well. So they're good value, and they work, and they're excellent, and they're all, you know.
All
so
good.
Discount code in the description for that. So there you go.
Yeah, it's all good. Anyway, I need you to sort out my soldering, boss.
I can do that.
So
I can do that.
let's stop this video and get on with the job at hand.
All right then.